Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Clarkston, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move exceeds 50 miles from your current location. Whether inside or outside the state, moving your belongings over such a distance is understandably stressful. With us in charge of your long-distance move, we take full responsibility for the movement's success. Our movers and drivers are dependable, prompt, and high-performing, and they work together to ensure the safety and quick delivery of your belongings. Our moving trucks make the process easier. We can move with no issue because we work with state and federal authorities in charge of relocation. We have valid licenses to permit us to conduct both interstate and intrastate moves. Local relocations are moves that are less than 50 miles from your current address. One common mistake people make when relocating locally is not placing much importance on planning. You need to make adequate preparation regardless of if you are moving down the road or a stone's throw from your address. 3 Men in a Truck offers a top-of-the-line local moves in Clarkston, Georgia. Our movers help in packing, organizing, and unloading your belongings. Our moving rates are also the cheapest in the city, ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Clarkston moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.